Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G62 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, we have to open the settings and now let's scroll to find the battery. And as you can see at the very bottom, we've got the option battery percentage, so we have to tap on the switcher here. And as you can see, right next to the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, but let me keep it turned on as it is quite useful. So basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Motorola Moto G62. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.